Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Starting with the greatest name of Allah, who is the most kind, the most merciful and gracious. Honorable guests, respected teachers, and all my dear audience, Assalamu alaikum. Right now, the title under discussion is Shaheen Iqbal or Iqbal Shaheen. नहीं तेरा नशे मन कसर सुल्तानी के गुंबद पर, तू शाही है बसेरा कर पहाड़ों की चट्टानों पर. Correctly speaking, lead to discuss the youth of Islam. Respected audience, you are well aware of the severity and the glory of our ancestor and forefather. But a time was arrived, Muslims messed up in their own, left the Quran. Sam is the topic under discussion. So, what is Iqbal Shaheen? Bare word, I state that Iqbal Shaheen is the one who trampled the Christian in Jerusalem. Iqbal Shaheen is the one who shattered the devil in Arabian land. Iqbal Shaheen is the one who summoned the name of Allah in the fiery desert of Africa. Whether it hot or need cold, they take rest under the shade of the sword. And the verses of Iqbal, the azane kabhi यूरोप के कलीसाओं में, खुशकियों में कभी लड़ते कभी दरियाओं में. This is the glory of Muslim youth and this is the integrity of moment. Iqbal is saying, don't lose your heart. Develop your standard in the world of the madness. You know that you are rewarded with a bunch of the qualities. So create new society, day and night, to understand the superficial forces which are hidden in you. The solid way to return after that glory is the pathway to Allah, the divine, the blessing, the universal bliss, Quran Kareem. Iqbal Shaheen is the one who uttered the role of Islam, who bear up the weight of the heart. And then, Shahi kabhi parwaaz se thak kar nahi girta, Shahi kabhi parwaaz se thak kar nahi girta, पर दम है अगर तो तू नहीं खतरा इफ्तार.